What if I told you that the very oceans we depend on for survival are on the brink of irreversible change? By 2050, scientists from UC Santa Barbara predict that the total human impact on marine ecosystems will more than double compared to today. A staggering projection that challenges our assumptions about the planet's resilience. This isn't just a distant threat. It's a ticking clock for coastal communities, biodiversity, and the global climate system. But here's where it gets controversial. The speed and scale of this transformation might outpace even the most aggressive conservation efforts we can imagine. Let's dive deeper into what this means for the future of our blue planet. For centuries, the ocean has been a silent partner in humanity's story, providing food, livelihoods, and even cultural identity. Yet, as the UCSB National Center for Ecological Analysis and Synthesis, NCEAS, warns, the balance is shifting. Marine ecologist Ben Halpern, who spearheaded this groundbreaking research, explains that the combined weight of climate change, overfishing, pollution, and habitat destruction is pushing marine environments toward a tipping point. The ocean isn't infinite, and its ability to absorb our demands is not limitless, he emphasizes. What's alarming isn't just the increase in human activity. It's how rapidly it's accelerating, outpacing even our worst-case scenarios. The study, published in the journal Science, paints a global picture of escalating pressures. Tropical and polar regions, along with coastal zones, are identified as the most vulnerable. For instance, coral reefs, already struggling with warming waters, could face a perfect storm of stressors, while Arctic ecosystems might become battlegrounds for competing industries. Coastal communities, which rely heavily on fisheries and tourism, are particularly at risk. These areas are where the ocean's value to humanity is most concentrated, Halpern notes. If we lose them, the ripple effects will be felt worldwide. To arrive at these conclusions, the research team built on nearly 2 decades of work. In 2008, they pioneered the first global map of human impacts on the ocean, revealing that 41% of marine environments were already under heavy stress. The 2025 study takes this a step further, using advanced modeling to forecast future scenarios. The results? Ocean warming and fisheries collapse are expected to drive 70% of the projected increase in impacts. But here's the twist. Even if we stabilize greenhouse gas emissions or improve fishing practices, other factors like nutrient runoff and acidification will continue to compound the problem. It's like a multi-layered cake of challenges, says Halpern. Addressing one layer doesn't solve the whole issue. The researchers aren't just sounding the alarm, they're offering solutions. Strengthening fisheries management, protecting critical habitats like mangroves and salt marshes, and slashing carbon emissions are highlighted as key strategies. Yet, these interventions require political will and global cooperation. This isn't a problem any one country can solve alone, Halpern stresses. We need a coordinated approach that prioritizes both ecological health and human well-being. So, what can we do? The study's authors argue that the next decade is critical. Every year of inaction makes the 2050 timeline harder to reverse. But is doubling the impact an inevitability? Or can we rewrite this narrative? Share your thoughts. Do you believe technology and policy can keep pace with these changes? Or is the ocean already beyond our reach? The answer might just shape the future of life on Earth.